tell me, I need to know. You are the wind in me. You know how you make me feel. And you're telling me your secret. I love it. You dancing in the disco. I see you when you dance. I can feel the melody. But now I'm staying next to you. You are the little children in my life. I cannot go anywhere. So this time you know for sure that I get your back again. Yesterday I was lost, but this time you know I am next to you. I see you dancing, you looking beautiful. I say, have fun, 'cause the train is coming soon. You know the old people fashion is driving so fast. Before you know it, they calling you a grandmother. It's just you. You came from yesterday. They say to you, you are the grandmother. Every time you climb the stairs, I see you shake your body in the dance floor tonight. I say, make the best because I am watching you. I can see you dancing in the stage. I see you shaking everything. Don't wait, 'cause the fight is coming soon. Don't try to fight anyone when jealousy comes your way. When girls come together in a place, this fight always come among you. Let the DJ turn the music so loud so you cannot hear any arguments. Just be yourself, 'cause every minute is the future. You gotta make the best, 'cause the fight is coming soon. Don't you fight this time. You got to say, just shake your body. Don't wait too long, 'cause the old people train is coming over you. You was yesterday the sexy one, but you step yourself out so fast, but slowly by slowly. The train never left you, because the train always drive above you. So have fun tonight, 'cause I'm watching you tonight when you're dancing. 'Cause sorry, I cannot join you. I am staying home to take care of the lady you next to me. So I say, have a good time. Party, 'cause tonight is the oldest night. Tonight is the oldest DJ. Tonight is the oldest melody. I say, shake your body, everybody dance. You can dance in your house, you can dance in your car, you can dance in the street. I say, shake your body, just shake your body, 'cause the old people train is on the way. Shake your body, shake your body. It's difficult to sing a karaoke when someone is singing in the back. Supposed to be instrumental, but there's jello voice in the back, and it's very difficult to escape it. It's like it should be instrumental, clean, but I'm trying to sing higher than her voice. Listen, it's there. She's singing. So it's difficult to just take the melody clean. It's like someone is saying, sing like this, sing like this. Well, it's the number 5 songs. Life is life.